Hi everybody, today I will show you how to make a personal portfolio using Canva. So let's just begin. So first of all, you have to log in into your Canva account, and after that what you need to do, we have to write down the portfolio in the search bar here. And now what we need to do, we have to click on the suggested templates. You can see here. So let's click on the see all. Alright, so as you can see here, there are a bunch of different portfolio templates that we can use for our portfolio as well. Okay, so if I just scroll down, you will be able to see the different and really good looking templates here. Obviously, some of these templates are part of the pro version of the Canva. All right. Okay, so let's just try to use this template here. All right. Or we can go with this one, maybe. Okay, so let's try to go with this one. So let's just click on the customize this template. And here, as you can see here, we have the template of our portfolio. So we have the two pages here right now. So you can simply change the text here. Alright, so let's just change the name here. So that would be Debbie, and we can write down the selected work. So this would be graphic designing. Okay, and we can write down the year here, and we can change the architecture here. So let's just write down social media post here. Okay, so this will work fine. And we can also change the color of our portfolio. So I would actually like to change the color here. Okay, so I will actually go with something dark blue color. This will work fine. And I would also like to change the color of the text here. So that would be actually light blue color. Maybe this one. Okay, and we can also change the color of our name, graphic designing, year, and social media post. So that would be this one, or maybe this one, or we can also go with white color. Okay, so this will look better. In the similar way, we can change the text here as well. Okay, so let's just write down the graphic here. I have done a spelling mistake. Okay, so let's copy this and paste it here. All right, so let's just remove the portfolio here, and let's just delete the text from here. All right, so now we have to align this. Okay, so this is looking better. So now we have the second page here. So I would actually like to remove this page, and I would like to add the new page here. So just write down portfolio, and you will be able to see the other templates here. Okay. Alright, so for the second page, we can go with this one. Click on the add new page. Okay, so we have to change the colors here. So this would be dark blue color, and we have to change the text color as well. So that would be light blue color, and this would be actually white color, and this would be dark blue color. So I have to change the color of the line. All right, so this is looking fine. One thing that I need to do is I have to change the font of our second page. Okay, so we have the pop-ins here, and we have the Garrett here. So I have to change the font color here. So let's just select the pop-ins here and try to make our text look bold. All right, so now this is looking great. Let's try to put this into the center. All right, so I want to change the image here. So let's go inside the elements, write down the graphic designer, and let's just select the photos here. All right. Okay, so I think I would go with this one. All right, so this is looking better. So here we can simply change the text if you want to. Okay, so for the third page, I had to search for the services. So let's just go back. we have to find the portfolio with the services. Okay, so I have to add the new page. And now what I can do here, that I have to find, okay, so let's just try to go with this one. All right, so now you can see this, we have this one. We can use this page to show our designs. All right, so let's just change the text here, design. Okay, so this will look fine. And now I have to change the background color first, so that would be the dark blue color, and I have to change these designs. Okay, so we can search for the images here, illustrations, and the photos. All right, so these images can be used as the illustrations. Okay, so we can also have this one. This looks great. And in the last, I would actually like to go this one. Okay, so this is looking fine. So this is how I can showcase my illustrations. So let's try to change the font here. So this would be the Poppins as well. I have to adjust this. Same for this one, and this one. And we can also do the same thing with the design. Okay, so this is looking better. So this is how we can showcase our illustrations. And in the last, I can also add my featured work or something like that. So let's just add the new page, go inside the design, and we can simply search for, okay, so this is looking great. We can use this, or we can also use this as our featured work. So this is looking better. So first of all, I have to change the color here. So this would be light blue color, and this would be darker color, and here we would have light blue color for the text as well. And we can simply change the image here. So for the image, I can write down the painting here. Okay, so I can simply use this image as my featured work. Okay, so let's just write down featured here, and I can simply change the text here as well, but you get the idea here. So this is how we can create the personal portfolio in the Canva. Okay, so as you can see here, so now let's just try to export this. Click on the share and click on the download. So we have to export this in PDF format. All right, so let's click on the download now, and it will start downloading our personal portfolio in the PDF format. Okay, as you can see here, it is downloading. All right, so our portfolio has been created. Okay, so as you can see here, so we have our portfolio, we have our name here, we have our picture, we have the title, and you can see the designs here. And in the last, we have the featured design. So this is how we can create the personal portfolio in Canva. And this is how we can export this in the PDF format. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.